Do you know how much 200 divided by 5 minus 37 is?
Smart pools don't know everything.
Dad, that pool isn't smart at all.
Come.
But they do know how to manage energy in a smart way. Save money while having fun. The Bluematic system connects your digital meter to make your pool smart and energy efficient. Download the user-friendly app. Make use of the overproduction of your solar panels. Bluematic converts this energy into free pool heating, allowing you to extend the swimming season. Hello endless swimming, goodbye energy bills.